To replace a door handle mounting stud on this GE refrigerator, you will need a 1/8-inch Allen wrench and a 3/16-inch Allen wrench. Open the appropriate refrigerator door and use the 1/8-inch Allen wrench to loosen the 2 set screws securing the handle. With the screws loosened, you can fully remove the handle. Now use the 3/16-inch Allen wrench to unthread the old stud. To install the new door handle mounting stud, thread it into the door and tighten using the 3/16-inch Allen wrench. With the set screws facing inward, align the handle on the mounting studs and tighten the screws with the 1/8-inch Allen wrench.